Guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. So today we're gonna make Escovitch red snapper. Alright, so I'm gonna show you all the ingredients. See, that's what I'm gonna use. Here already chopped up carrot, Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper, that's onion, and red sweet bell pepper. Alright guys, here we have some crushed pimentos. This right here. Yeah, we have Maggi season up. This is for the fish, as a fish season. Here we have the black pepper, a little bit of easy spice, Jamaican all-purpose season. Here we have this season, never leave it out. And we have another Maggi all-purpose. Yes guys, so basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna combine all these season, then I'm gonna use it to season the fish guys. We're gonna make Escovitch fish today. So I'm just basically adding a little of each, less than a teaspoon each, because we're just doing 2 fish today, just for the channel. Keep the channel going guys. Remember to please subscribe and share, okay? Yes guys, that's the black pepper, not too much. A little bit of the easy spice. Yeah, all purpose, that's about it. And this is the fish, Maggi fish season. Guys, remember to like, subscribe, and share the channel to make it much bigger. Remember to support the channel. Alright guys, so that I'm going to use to season up the red snapper at this moment. Season it up guys. This is where I use a knife to core. Very important to core to get some seasoning here guys. See, check it out, all seasoning to the bone. That's it guys. Here's the season. Yeah, so I'm gonna save a little of this season for later on guys. Yeah, so that's it, seasoning. So yes guys, so the pot is getting hot right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put crushed piece of scallion, put inside, and crush garlics. Yeah guys, crush the garlic. Yeah, just this kind of season the oil. There you go guys, see that? Yeah, and then as soon as the pot very hot, then I'm gonna put the fish in guys. Yeah, I'm gonna fry the fish until it brown on both sides guys. You will see it when it fries. Don't have no estimate time. Then later on we're gonna put the onion, pepper, carrots in. Yes guys, so after 5 minutes I turn it. Look at this. This guy is frying lovely. Yes guys. Okay guys, so we all done frying the fish. Over here I'm gonna use the same oil to fry the onion and the stuff in. Just like that guys. And what I'm gonna do guys, with this little bit of season, I'm gonna put it inside here guys. So, and then what else I'm gonna add, I'm gonna show you. Now guys, I'm gonna add some white vinegar into the pot, just like this guy. Oh, that amount of vinegar. Yes guys, this guys, just add the vinegar. That's the way you make Escovitch fish. I'm gonna add the fish. Yes guys, Escovitch fish all done. Check it out guys, very easy to make.